This is Jacob in his natural habitat. Obviously, it's because he's shredded. The only reason Jacob can do that is because he drinks his 1% milk. Next, you see Bryce pumping that hardcore straight iron. The only reason that Bryce can do any of that is because he drinks his skim-free milk. This is what happens when you put calcium inside of water. This is a reaction that commonly happens when you mix the two. As you can see, it is fizzing and letting off a gas that kind of stays trapped in the water.
Did it explode?
I'm ready.
As you can see, it comes back to the top as it loses all of those bubbles that it was emitting off when it sank to the bottom. Next, you will see potassium being dropped into water. This is a very special reaction that happens when it goes into the water. As it is dropped in, it actually starts a flame. And next, it explodes and it just disappears.
So that's what happened.
Today we're talking about calcium, group 2, period 4, and it is part of the alkali earth metals, and it has 2 valence electrons.
Today, I'm talking about potassium. It's in group 1, period 4, and part of the alkali metal family. It is a chemical species which readily loses its 1 valence electron to make an ionic compound with other nonmetals. I'm potassium,
I'm calcium.
and we were both discovered by Sir Humphrey Davy. Oh, yeah.
Oh crap!
Jacob, drink the vitamin water. It's got calcium and potassium. Now you're ready to work out again, Jake.
Oh yeah.
Calcium is in group 2, period 4, and is in the amazing family of alkali earth metals, and with 2 valence electrons. It reacts to water by making calcium hydroxide, and reacts to air when burned, making calcium oxide. And it is a solid and rough object at room temperature. Mr. Sir Humphrey Davy in 1808 in New England was the lucky man to find it. It is found in the Earth's crust, and it has an abundance of 3.6 in the universe and in the Earth. That is all, folks. Thanks for coming.
Today, we're talking about potassium. As previously stated, it is in group 1, period 4, and it has 1 valence electron, but it does readily lose it to mix with other elements to make different compounds. It is very compulsive in water, and as you saw earlier, it starts a flame and then it eventually explodes and disappears, and it has a corroding effect while exposed to the air. It is only in foods because it mixes with those other elements and makes compounds. Some things that it is in foods is caramel, bananas, broccoli, carrots. It's in all of those, and it's in other assortments of drinks and foods. It is a silvery white metal that is a very smooth texture. Its boiling point is 1,398 degrees Fahrenheit, and its melting point is 146.08 degrees Fahrenheit. Sir Humphrey Davy was the man who found this element in 1807, and it was found through electrolysis of dry molten caustic potash. The only place it is mined in America is California, and in the world in Cali and South Africa.
Hey, I got a couple of jokes here for you today before I send you off. I heard Calcium got fired from the bank today. They said he could only deposit. You want to hear a joke about potassium? Okay.